Hi, this is Marina from How Glows. I like to eat seasonally. So for example, in the persimmon season, which is November and December, I have a manu meal of persimmons for my first meal of the day, which is always lunch. Sometimes I eat them just as they are, fantastic. And sometimes I make one of my all-time favorite recipes. And the recipe is...
Choose a couple of seedless persimmons. Choose the persimmons that are not too ripe, but rather just slightly soft to touch. Remove the stems and leaves. Cut the persimmons into halves and then each half into quarters. Place the persimmons together with a tablespoon or two of carrot powder into the blender. Blend these ingredients. Place the pudding into a bowl and optionally decorate with some persimmon slices on top.
If you appreciate this recipe, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And of course, please leave your comments down below because I love to hear from you. Until the next video, I'm sending you warm regards and of course, keep glowing. Bye bye!